Hello and welcome back to the channel. Long time no see. Sorry about that, but like you know, life happens and you can't do nothing about that. So yeah, but good news is that we're back in business and today we are working again this VR6 project. So let's get this thing running and let's speak about what we do today and let's make some work. I show some parts what have been arrived and I don't remember exactly where we finished the last episode, so I will show the car also for you. So let's start with the car. So before it stays the same place where the last time. I do not remember, did I show you that I did paint this? No, it's not new, it's used brake booster, but I made it to look like new. It looks really nice, I think. And yeah, interior. Here is the dash in. Some wire work already done, all in the right places. It looks like a car again from inside. The carpet in and all looks like should, I think. Okay. Also, VR6 engine is in the engine stand again. What we do here? Here we start changing oil pump today. So let's install a new oil pump to make sure that oil pressure is good and no problems with oil pressure. Yeah, so these are some plans and let's make them happen. Yeah, I did not have some motivation here sometime. And was thinking when I get this thing running, but now I have the mood back, so yeah, let's get this thing running for summer. Okay, let's see on the table what parts we have here. Clutch disc is back from the professionals. Now I have the new clutch pads. I will show you all the things I have, so let's see. Okay, what we have here is oil pump. Yeah, on the box says it's WAG, but when you take the oil pump out, yeah, you see it's flywheel stain. It's one concern, but different brand names. Here we need to make a gasket, and yeah, should be easy work, I think. Cleaning from old silicone is the hardest part, I think. Yeah, so this is an oil pump. Here we have clutch disc. So let's take it out. If you remember how it did look last time, then now it looks like new. Yeah, really like it. New pads. Should work with this naturally aspirated engine really good. Yeah, I really like it. I made it with new pads because I had this clutch disc. This S2 3B with these springs. It's really expensive clutch disc, so the work to buy new pads and to install them, it was cheaper than half a price of this clutch disc. So yeah, I think it's really good to make it like new. Okay, so what else? So we have here clutch basket. I don't know how to say in English. Yeah, it's like you see, it says Sachs Race Engineering. It's also from S2 3B. Yeah, let's take it out from this coil. One moment. Let's see what we have here. I have this clutch basket waiting almost 1 year already. So here it is. Yeah, nice, new. And why I did choose 3B? One, because you can buy S4 2.2 AAN clutch basket also, but the design is different. This one can hold up to 600 Newton meters of torque. It's over 100 Newton meters more than this S4 one. Yeah, S4 one is cheaper, but I think this more torque it's better for this car. Yeah, so yeah, we have this new disc here. Yeah, nice. Okay, so and here we have this spacer what I made for this flywheel setup. We will install it also. And here is this flywheel from it's also for 2.2 S2. It's actually it's from a 7A engine. It's CNC machined. It's lighter and it has new bolt pattern with 10 bolts. I have speaked about it in earlier video somewhere, but yeah, I speak it again. So hopefully we'll install it also today. Okay, what we have more here, let's see. Here is one interesting box. Here is the original flywheel bolts. Like you know, spacer goes with 10 bolts and flywheel goes with 10 bolts, so I needed 20 flywheel bolts. They are original, so they should be good. And here is 014 Motorsport fuel pump adapter. I will use a Valbro fuel pump, so I needed an adapter. Thank you for Andres Garage, who did organize and sell these parts for me. And go check his build also. He builds Audi A4 Quattro with Air 30 VR6 turbo engine, and makes also videos, so link is in description. Go check it out. Thank you, Andres. Okay, what more? Here we have this clutch bearing. It's a metal one, so we need to separate it and make a spacer here that clutch can start working. I will make it on lathe, so you will see. And here we have clutch work cylinder. Yeah. So a lot small parts, and let's start slowly from somewhere. Let's move the oil sump and let's install a flywheel. I don't know, can I install a clutch basket, because I don't have bolts for clutch basket, but maybe I find something. Yeah, no, that's not so important, because before gearbox I need to make this clutch bearing spacer also on lathe. So yeah, okay, let's start working. pump is changed. Nothing tricky. I need to open these two bolts and these two tube ones, and then you can take oil pump out. Here is one shaft what turns the oil pump. You need to fit the hex that it will fit directly, and then it's all good. So really easy work. And yeah, I did clean oil pan also again, so it's also ready for silicone. And then we can start working with this flywheel setup and clutch system install. So I will install oil pan back and then we work with this flywheel. Like you see, oil pan is already installed, and yeah, new gasket all cleaned, nice. So, and I have been installed adapter plate with the original hardware, and also is this adapter for flywheel what I made. So here we now can install from Audi 7A engine single mass flywheel what has 10 volt pattern what I made. To install this you need to hold from front, from here, crank pulley. You see here you can add a key, and then you can tighten these bolts, and the same tightening torque like flywheel has. And now I will install flywheel here, so yeah, you will see that. Some time ago I made this special tool to hold flywheel in one place from these starter teeth, that when I start adding these torque 4 bolts, it holds flywheel in one place. Flywheel is installed. I really like to mark places what is already tightened when I make this first, then I know that all is nicely tightened. Yeah, so let's take clutch disc and clutch basket and let's install clutch. Okay, so we have clutch disc here, and we have clutch pressure plate here, and we need to get this to center to this. For this I use this universal tool. Some say that they can't get it in center with this, but yeah, I have used it with every clutch change and it works good. So yeah, let's see how it works. Okay, for this you take this clutch pressure plate. I did clean it with brake cleaner. All the surfaces are clean now. Now install it here, and then you take this tool, install it into the clutch disc, and then you rotate it so that it stays good in the middle. So now you need to rotate this one. It fix it, locates the pressure plate, and now you make some checking, and you can slowly move it a little bit. You look it in the center from everywhere. Yeah. Now you. Yeah. Looks really nice. So let's install it into the car. And now let's install it on the engine. Yeah. Clutch pressure plate is installed, bolts are tightened, so yeah, it looks nice. Yeah, I really like this setup. So, was quite interesting right now to see engine coming back together. Hopefully get it in the next video. We will start making this clutch bearing adapter, and then we can install the gearbox back on and all the clutch system should work. Yeah, but that's in the next video. So now we can come close to this board. Here are some works what we can delete now. Yeah, still a lot to go, but yeah, nothing too hard. Hopefully new video sooner than this one. Yeah, we need to get driving this car. Summer is coming, and I think it's really fun to have this car driving in the summer. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye!